At the Urban Ecology Center, we believe that time in nature is an important part of a healthy lifestyle for people of all ages. That's why we're prescribing nature time. This week's prescription comes from Tim Vargo, Manager of Research and Citizen Science.
At a glance, it may seem like most natural activity shuts down during the winter. But if you look closely and in the right places, there's a lot to see. So as an ornithologist, I'm prescribing some cold weather birding. You can enjoy birding without any gear, but if you have access to them, there are a few items that will enhance your experience. Grab a notebook and writing utensil, a field guide, and a pair of binoculars. You may even want to bring a camera along to snap some photos. Pay close attention to details. What color is the bird's beak, for example? How big is it compared to a robin? Is it feeding on the ground or high up in a tree? These details will become more important when you look in your field guide later. Be sure to take notes on how many of each kind of bird you find and compare them to the bird list in the kiosk. And when you're done birding, leave us a comment. Let us know what you saw, but most importantly, enjoy your time outside.